Hopefully you guys are enjoying your day. I thought I'd come on and provide an update for y'all. I did get on the scale this weekend, so I did lose another pound. I am down a total of 33 pounds. So I have about 7 pounds to go to be 10 pounds below my goal weight. So that is my goal, is to be, to start off with the 10 pound below my goal weight, to have, so that I can, have a good foundation to start on when I enter my maintenance phase of the plan. So I'm happy about that. I'm going in the right direction. I'm going to also continue to stay, continue to produce ketones. So I'm able to stay in that state as well. I've already transitioned from the keto diet into a balanced plate way of eating. So that's been a great benefit as well. So even though I'm not eating according to the keto plan, I'm still, producing ketones because I've still reduced my sugar intake. Even though my carbs have increased, my sugar intake still is, still decreased as well. So I'm able to stay in I guess I can say, ketogenic phase, if that makes sense. But and the reason is because some of the benefits of producing ketones is reduce inflammation, still in that fat burning stage as well, mental clarity, you're more focused, you're more sharp in your thinking, energy levels, still at an increased level. Your skin does clear up as well. My cravings is still reduced. Also, I can say that it helps me to, get through my days a bit better when you're talking about managing stress without being overwhelmed, or, when you have so many things to do, when you're multitasking in different things, you're able to do that more. I'm able to do that more better, more efficiently. And if you look at some of my first videos, brain fog was one of the things that I was going through, because it's like you have something in your mind and all of a sudden you like, wait a minute, what was I about to say? So if I'm doing way better in that than before. I had brain fog for a minute, but since I was on keto we're producing ketones, let's say that, for I would say about 4 months now, majority of the time, I'm doing way better at that. So if you need to, go ahead and revisit some of my videos if you are starting the keto diet, or just for motivation, because I tell you, it's a challenge sometimes. I've had to refocus in some areas when it came to keto. I have to change some of the things that I were doing so I can stay on the plan without giving up on it. So if you have those goals, regardless of what plan that you're on or what goals you have that you want to achieve, keep doing it. Keep doing it. Don't give up. If it's a plan that you're on and you find it hard to do, don't give up on the goal of weight loss, if that's your goal, or trying to increase your let's say your exercise goals, or you're trying to reduce your sugar intake, or you're trying to eat more fruits and vegetables. Whatever you're doing, don't give up on it. Change your plan, but don't change your goals. You mapped a plan on how you was going to get there, but if there's a bump in the way, go around it. And that you're going to see that I had several things that I had to, I had to go around, or I had to I had to change. So basically, just do that. Keep to your goals. And also another thing that's important as well, your environment is very important when it comes to trying to make these changes. A major changes that you're making, you're having to rethink or change the way that you're thinking from before, because I'm telling you, negative thinking is not going to help you at all. You have to your surroundings have to be peaceful. So I try my best to be around a lot of positive things. I'm try to be happy. I try my best to laugh a lot more. That is very important when it comes to changing the way that you think about things mentally. Even some of the things that I watch, definitely people that you surround yourself with. I try to make sure that I am focused more positively, and that they're helping to contribute to that as well. And also helping people more, being in a helpful mode where you're helping someone, you're helping encourage them, whatever things that you could do to support them as well. That is very important, because you never know what positive words or what good deed that you're doing to someone, that you just never know how important that is for them, or what big impact that you're making in their lives. So I think that when you help somebody, you're helping yourself too. So that is such an important thing to do as well. Those are some things that I'm working on, that I'm doing. I won't say that I'm perfect in anything, but those are some things that I've decided to change within me to have a positive environment, more positive, peaceful, way of living. If you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. The link to the YouTube channel is going to be in the bio section on Instagram. Link for Facebook is going to be in the comments section. Or if you're on the Facebook page, please look at our profile and then the website. So please follow us. And also, if you're on YouTube, link to Facebook page is in the About section, and Instagram as well. All that's in the About section on YouTube. So we appreciate you guys' support. Thank you for being there for us, and we'll come back to you with other cooking videos, motivation videos, and weight loss tips. So thank you guys for watching, and have a great rest of your day.